Irene, ayan, as the woman of this film, and kanina we've heard a lot from Jules and from Alden, how you created such a good atmosphere for everyone. Paano mo to nagawa? Paano mo, bakit mo to ginawang ganitong klaseng paggawa ng pelikula with the atmosphere na masaya, parang they found love in doing this?
Kasi matagal na akong nasa industriya kahit hindi halata kasi so young looking char. Since OJT pa lang ako, parang dito na ako lumaki. So I met people at naging halimaw din naman ako sa set and all that before. So parang natututunan mo siya, experience siya of how could you create a more creative atmosphere. So dun siya nanggagaling sa experience kung paano ka hinubog ng industriya, ng pagpipelikula, hindi lang bilang creative, kundi pagiging tao. Pagiging tao sa lahat, pagiging fair sa lahat, at yung pag-create ng atmosphere na tama para sa proseso, dun mo mas malalabas yung kailangan mo kasi tulungan talaga siya. So, yung experience siguro from way back up to now, yun yung kailangan kong masigurado may proseso at tama yung nangyayari sa set. Yun.
And follow up on that, bakit sa tingin mo si Alden and Jules yung fit for the story that you have created?
Nabuo kasi yung konsepto sila na talaga bago pa siya simulan. Sila na talaga yung nasa isip ko. So kung paano ko sila nakilala or kung paano ko pinanood yung mga past works nila at paano ko inassume kung paano nila i-arte o gano'n. So nangyari na sila bago nangyari yung script. May konsepto muna pero nung sinusulat ko siya, boses na nila yung narinig ko. So yun.
Pero bakit gano'n yung pinalabasan ng concept? Anong nakita mo doon sa dalawa?
Kasi yung konsepto buo na siya sa akin nung kailangan niya lang ng mga boses na magsasalita dun sa yung personalities din nila. And also, dahil alam kong magaling sila, magtitiwala ka na lang nung nagbasa kami ng script, or actually before pa nagbasa ng script, yung mga producers na sinasabi, paano nila ito gawin, tapos kasi nga hindi pa sila nag-work together. So, yun, you jump, I jump. Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung magiging chemistry talaga nila bubuuin ko yun So, I don't know how to answer the question, pero yun, nangyari ang dapat mangyari. Kasi kung hindi, lagot sila.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you.
And yung last question ko for, of course, Jules and Alden. Kasi prior to this trailer, may mga scene drops na rin kami nakita talaga. And ang taray, talagang ginulat nyo kami. Parang pinaramdam nyo sa amin na, hey, nagbabalik kami. And hey, ito yung namimiss yung mga actor at actress. Ganyan. Bakit in-embrace nyo yung ganitong klaseng edgy role, if I may say so? And, so, paano rin kayo na-convince or from the very start, gusto nyo lang talagang gawin yung mga ganong eksena, like based on what we saw on the scene drops?
Sa akin po kasi as a viewer or as an audience also, na hopeless romantic na mahilig manood ng love story, may specific po akong hinahanap or parang gusto ko kiligin or gusto ko ma-feel yung love. With this film, lahat yun na-experience mo, pero more on a realistic side. Because every relationship, you have a goal or you have a dream na parang sana ganito kami or sana ganito, sana ganyan. But the sana, realization or the reality is, i-work out yun ng two person. Dun sa film, Wala eh, realistic lang po talaga siya. And nagkataon, kaya siya ang sarap gampanan kasi the connection is there. Genuine actor, generous actor. So, tatalon ka lang talaga at ibibigay mo sa eksena kung ano yung binigay sa'yo. So, para siyang, it takes two to tango. Give and take lang po talaga. Para siyang sayaw.
Yun po, parang it's really a matter of how you know yourself as a craftsman. Kasi in this industry, we are all craftsmen. Craftsmen, para plural. So, kasi the thing that we have, the question that will always comes to your head should always be, what's next? I've been here for 11 years po, and I've done quite a fair share of projects with different roles and concepts. And parang it's really a matter of how you want your career or your craftsmanship to evolve. Kasi kung ako po, syempre, ililimit ko na lang ba yung sarili ko sa laging ganito? I always give what people want to see. But at the end of the day, alam na nila kung ano yung pwedeng makita sa akin eh. So I wanted to offer something new. And I wanted to showcase something that has never been seen before. Ito na yung sinasabi po, di ba lagi pag nagpo-promo tayo ng pelikula, kakaiba pong Alvin, kakaiba pong Julia ang makikita mo. But I think I can really testify and honestly say that after watching the projects po ni Miss Julia Mendes, grabe nga yun. Hindi-cringe yan. So, and the things that I have done, this is something that has never been done before for us. Actually po kasi, dalawang comeback po ito eh. This is Julia's comeback. And this is my comeback po sa film industry. So, what's not to try? The only failure is not trying.
Thank you. Before you admit na this will bring box office records. Congrats in advance. Thank you. Chickeness, let's go.
Who do we start with? Julie.
Ito yung fastest yes ko po eh. Yung tipong klaro agad kung ano yung mensahe ng movie. That's why, hindi dahil kaharap ko na direct, I super adore your work and your passion, your heart you give it dito sa project na to. Kasi klarong-klaro and yun, talagang parang hindi mo na kailangan basahin yung buong synopsis or buong story or buong linyana. Unang ano pa lang, alam mo na yun. Opo, yes po, yun po talaga.
Yun po, parang hindi ko pa siya nagawa. And yun nga, kaya po sabi ko sa, well, we have, nag-upload po kami ng content prior po to this event that we have. Like, meron po yung quote-unquote Alden Richards, risking it all for 5 breakups in a romance. Kasi I think in everything that we do, we should risk everything. Parang we should risk, you know, kasi dun, when you have worked hard for something, kahit ano, sa ano pa pong aspeto ng buhay yan, may it be here in the entertainment industry or outside, kahit hindi mo kasi siya i-hard sell na pinaghirapan mo siya, pag alam mo to your core that you have really given it your all, in terms of everything, it will show. You don't have to speak for itself. Hindi mo na siya kailangan ibenta. Kita na eh. Like what you've seen from our materials po that we have just, yung mga ina-upload po namin and yung mga pinapakita namin, yung efforts and hard work, kita po eh. So we don't really have to say much sa mga nagawa po namin for this film. I think the movie and the message that we want to say to all our audience and to the people who's going to watch our film is clear. And it's all about, you know, passion, hard work, and heart at the end of the day.
Anyone po po?
From the cast po?
From the cast, anyone you would like to hear in particular?
Miss Lodot po.
Miss Lot.
Let's go, Miss Lo.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Initial reaction po nung nabasa niyo yung script.
Initial reaction when I read the script, wow. Kasi totoo eh. Kasi wala naman sa start na perfect kaagad eh. Sa kahit anong relationship, whether it's a romantic relationship, whether it's a friendship, or any kind of relationship, whatever you may call it, no? Sometimes it starts perfect until you get to know the person. Hindi ba minsan, hindi, kilala ko yan. Okay na tao yan. Subukan mong tumira sa bahay kasama niya. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan mo pa siya. So, we will see, no? Like, when I read the story, it's like, this is it. It happens. And it deserves to be seen in the big screen, on film. And sino pa ba ang dapat, of course, perfect na yung dalawa. Makikita mo parang extreme na extreme silang dalawa, di ba? Parang extreme yung personalities nila. Pero they have one bond, and that is the love for the craft. And then doon nabuo yung friendship. So this is basically the script. This is Direct Irene. So when they said, can you play the mom of Jules? I said, of course. Of course, I'd love to be part of this beautiful story. Why not? So it is a blessing to be part of this. And congratulations, of course, to Alden, to Julia, to Direct Irene. Everyone just saw the magic in that screen a while ago. And we can't wait for everyone to see the whole film. So, sana abang po.
Thank you. For Direk Irene, I'm a fan of your work po kasi. So parang lahat nung, ang ganda kasi ng pagkakasulat ng mga works nyo, mas sensible and mature. So ano yung pinagkaiba ng 5 breakups in a romance sa mga past works nyo?
Yung mga ibang naging pelikula kasi talaga, para siyang mas mga serendipitous events, mga strangers, meeting, gano'n. But this one is really about the relationship itself. Lahat ng mga naging pelikula ko wala pa kasi tungkol sa nangyayari sa relasyon. It's just strangers meeting and then having that connection and then nawawala na. I mean, you leave it to fate or to ulan or whatever. Pero ito, mas komplikado siya dahil pagkalakay siya ng mga, ng iba pang mga bagay na nagiging kasama ng relasyon, hindi lang ng pag-ibig.
Thank you. Thank you, Rain.
Thank you.
Thank you so